Hey guys. So super exciting. Yesterday, late in the day, I got a big package. It's heavy. I mean, it's not overly heavy, but there's 24 scans in this, so it's a decent amount. It is I always call it a Hobbii, but I've seen a lot of people call it Hobbii, so I can see Hobbii, because it's not an American name. Anyways, huge package. Was gonna unbox it with you, and then because of what it is, I was gonna kind of give you guys a little peek because I have like a crowd here of very excited things that my daughter has taken that I've made, waiting friends. So let's flip that screen around real quick. So in the package is yarn specifically to make these little birds. She had a friend, she's been giving them to her friends, so she actually doesn't have that many from the ones I've made. This one actually has a magnet inside of it, so when it meets up with its friend, they can magnet and give little bird kisses. And she wanted one made for a friend to dance with a very specific blue, so I had to make an order. Now the ones in the back are the original size for the pattern. They don't have Hobbii yarn, but my next order, I plan to get some that is of similar texture type as them to test it out with that pattern to see how they turn out. The other reason I was getting a big order was because next on my YouTube channel will be a review on the Princess Finger Puppet Patterns. It's a book. It doesn't have all the princesses in it, so my daughter has given me a very long list of finger puppets to make. If you've watched my channel, you would know I've made a review on the Finger Puppet Star Wars kit. With Christmas coming up, I really wanted to kind of do both kits. And I love the fact that this princess one uses the same yarn. This guy is not in the Star Wars kit, but I may come up with a way to share how I made him. But I did use a lot of the baseline concepts for at least the base of his body from the book that I can't really share that because you have to buy the book to get that part of the pattern. But for everything else, I can kind of come up with something. So I may share how to make the little Jawa in the future. But that's not why we're here. I just wanted to share these so you guys could kind of get an idea of why I got this yarn and what's to come to my different social medias in the near future, and specifically here at the YouTube channel if this is where you're watching it. So let's get to opening. I'm gonna just move you right there and bring this right here. So this is the tail that is on Ariel. So generally speaking, I got the cotton 8-4, and they are colored like on their package by a color number. So you can go on their website and like write what the name of the color is on here. One thing I love about these, and I've shown it in other videos that I've done when I've opened this, is the easy start. It's so easy to get started with these. You don't have yarn vomit all over the place. I absolutely love it. Now, they were out of the blue in the 8-4 rainbow, so I went to the rainbow 8-4 deluxe and got a color very similar. So this one's going to be slightly different, but it's very soft. So it's slightly softer than this. You pay a little bit more for that softness, but it feels really nice and it's totally worth it. And while I don't need the deluxe for these stuffies, it allowed me to keep getting the colors. And again, color 22. So I might write the names on, because it's a lot of colors. So here's one, there's one. I'll make a little pyramid of them after. And then this again is another type of 8-4. This is their Merkin sized. Probably pronounced that wrong. So again, I got this color because the color I needed for the pattern, I think it was for Jasmine, it wasn't there. So I got the closest thing I could find that would, I hoped, work. And it looks like a decent color. I have this color and I ordered more of it before I needed it, but I'll have plenty now. In fact, I got that color for Five Nights at Freddy's. Now this is a glitter, not needed for princesses, but I really liked it. It's a glitter silver rainbow 8-4, and I got it because my daughter, wanting all these finger puppets, wanted me to do the Tinkerbell fairies. So I'm like, oh well, I gotta do something special for their wings, so I got that. This is actually the color that I needed for the bird she wants for her friend at dance. So those little birds are great to make keychains with. Oh, see, I was smart. I think I got 2 of those, 2 different types to make sure I had the right color tone. So some of these colors you might go, oh, that's gonna be for this princess, or that's gonna be for that princess. I am gonna make the rest of the Star Wars characters. In fact, Leia is on my desk. This is called Almond. This is the color the princess skin tone is for at least Ariel and a couple others. They have lots of skin tone neutral type of colors, so you can really make all the skin tones out there. I'm pretty sure there's nothing else. It's such a big bag. So I got them all. And a little candy. So let me see if I can spin my phone holder around real quick, and I will show you all of these in a nice pile. So let's see. I gotta move my coffee. So I'm gonna just move them over slightly. Bye bye, little mallard duck. So a lot of the same colors are used on several of the characters, even across the board in the Star Wars characters, which makes it nice so you don't need an excessive amount of yarns. If you're wondering if you'll have enough yarn in the kit to make the characters it mentions, you'll need to check out my review on them. There you go. So all of those, and I'm pretty sure I didn't get all the colors I needed, but at least it was a start. So I'll probably have another unboxing video here soon. Thanks for coming to check this out. Why does it look like I don't have the purple I needed for Ursula? This is no good. I wonder if this was it. Oh, this is not good. Well, you'll hear about that in the review of the princesses. And thank you for coming. Thank you for checking this out. And I'm probably looking crazy with my hat. It is totally fitting though, because it's got Tinkerbell on it. But next video up is a report on my review of this kit and what I thought of it. And I will see you guys soon. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and all that stuff, so that way you can keep seeing everything, like all of these as I fumble through them. I do have some new stuff that I've been having to make, so I'll be bringing those too.